Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. We got Super Bowl coming up this weekend, so today I'm going to fire up the Napoleon and we're going to make some really nice chicken wings. So let's get started. We're going to get this party started. I'm going to fire up the Napoleon. I'm going to turn all 4 burners on the low setting, and my objective here is to get the grill running about 400 degrees ambient. I've taken my chicken wings out of the package and I've hand dried these off with paper towels, and I just let these sit in the refrigerator for about an hour to help dry them up. So the next thing I want to do is douse in just a little olive oil and give these things a toss and get those guys completely coated in a little bit of that olive oil. And then I want to lightly season these guys with the Atlanta Grill Company Himalayan Sherpa, which is a salt, pepper, and garlic blend. And I'm just going to get some of that in there, and we're going to toss these in that and get these guys ready. We'll just let these sit for a few minutes while our grill comes up to temperature. Okay, this guy's about up to temp, and I've got the smoke block going over here with some apple wood in it. So we're just going to put our wings right out here on the grill, and I'm going to spread these out, and we're going to let these cook probably 30 minutes or so, and we may come back and give them a turn about halfway through. I'm going to rub those a little bit there, make sure we don't stick them to the grill, and we'll be back. We're also going to get some sauce ready that I'm going to sauce these wings with. I'm going to use my little Finex sauce pot. I've got some butter in there, and we're going to add in some of the Atlanta Grill Company roasted pineapple and habanero sauce. Probably about the same amount, which is about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup. And I'm just going to set that up on the warming rack on the grill to let that heat up and melt together while the wings are cooking. Okay, we've been going about 20 minutes here, and I think my sauce that we're working on here is looking pretty good. So I'm going to pull that off, and then we're going to just flip these wings. I'm going to give them all a flip, cook the other side, and get some nice char on these and get the skin crisped up, and then we'll be back. These things are smelling amazing. Okay, these guys are looking really good at this point. So I've cleaned my bowl out, and I'm going to collect these wings back into the bowl, and we're going to toss them in some sauce. So I'm going to toss in that sauce that we made out of the roasted pineapple and habanero sauce and butter, and we're just going to give these wings a good toss in that to get them nice and coated, and then we're going to put them back on the grill and let that sauce set. Okay, we're going to dump these right back out here in the middle of the grill, and we're going to close that grill up and let those guys set for just a few minutes. And after just a couple more minutes, these guys are ready. So I'm going to take these back off and we'll give them a shot. Okay guys, here you have it. An excellent wing recipe for Super Bowl game day. This roasted pineapple habanero sauce has a beautiful sweetness to it with just a little bit of heat on the back end. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you're going to have to give this a try and let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.